Hello. Happy Thursday. I hope you guys are having a great week. I know a lot of you are doing a wonderful job doing your work, turning it in, refining your work. So I'm very proud of you guys. Today we are going to go over your assignments for the day. There will not be a Zoom today. But of course you can always ask questions in the Google Classroom. Today for math, you're going to be taking part 2 of your measurement test and submitting. So I will add part 1's total points that you got and part 2's total points and add them together for a final grade. And I'll put those grades in eClass, your grade book. So then in science, you're going to look at this phenomena of the sky and clouds. And I know today we're going to have rain clouds and definitely some storms today. So you'll definitely get to see some clouds. You're going to ask yourself, what is the best question you can ask to help you identify the different cloud types? So you're going to go outside if it's safe, as long as there's no thunder or lightning. You take a picture of it and think about what kind of question can I ask to figure out if it's cirrus, cumulonimbus, cumulus, stratus. How do I figure out what type of cloud is it? Okay, so you're going to post that on the Padlet for Thursday. So right here, you're going to post your picture and your questions, and then you can comment on each other's. So the next subject we're going to talk about is reading. Reading, you have a point of view assignment. So you're going to tell whether it's first person or third person. The last question, you have to read a little passage. There's 2 different points of view, and you're going to tell me, explain how the point of views are different in each passage. Provide details in your response. This question's worth twice as much as the other questions. So make sure you tell me how is the point of view different and how do you know. And you're going to use text evidence and you're going to type it right down here where your answer is and submit it when you're done. Last but not least, you have writing. You have a writing lesson that you're going to watch. Please don't skip the writing lesson because it teaches you a lot of important things. Then you're going to hit personal narrative. You're going to take a look at these 3 pictures and you're going to choose your favorite one and you're going to write a personal narrative, a 4 to 5 paragraph essay about the picture, and you are going to write it in first person. So you're saying, you know, I was playing video games or board games with my family. I was at school playing a tug of war game, or I was skating down the road. So you're going to use that I instead of he, she, or Jessica. Don't forget to use dialogue, description, and you have a beginning, middle, and an end. And also we like to tell what the character learned, the theme and the story by the end of the story. So please take your time on that. So that is all your work for Thursday. Friday, of course, is going to be a finish it Friday. It's very important that you all make sure your grades are showing, or it shows that you turned it in and that you're not missing any work. Okay. Also today, I'm going to surprise my winner. Yes, I have a winner. I will post a video of how I use this program to figure out who the winner is. It's either going to be Danielle, Nucci, Avery, Natalie, Colin, Sunny, Jace, Joycey, Reagan, or Copeland. Those are the people that attended both the Zoom sessions this week. So I will be surprising one of them today, Thursday, with a prize, and I will upload, like I said, the video of where I got the winner and also a picture to show you their prize and who it was. So be on the lookout for that, and I'll do that starting this week. So next week, if you attend both Zoom sessions, Monday and Wednesday of next week, you could be the next prize winner. Okay. All right. Well, have a good night, a good day. Bye.